tiers are totally worthless. Don't value anyone's their little badge that they have next to them, right? Like, cool, you're elite. What changed for us when we changed status? Literally nothing. Zero. We get new business because we're able to solve tough problems. The end. That's it, right? Some good old fashioned relationship building, solving tough problems, having case studies that match current problems that people are trying to solve. And I would say that the deals that we win, I'd say 90% of the deals that we win are because the problems that we are presented with by someone who's considering hiring us, we're able to demonstrate to them that we understand the problem and that we know how to solve the problem. So I guess in short, the tiers, it speaks maybe to some experience, but I wouldn't have somebody choose a partner over another partner based on which tier they are. We were doing great work when we were gold and platinum and diamond, and we're doing the same great work now that we're elite. The things that I do think separate some of the partners from each other, if you're able to look at case studies, hear about the types of projects or type of integrations or some of the challenges. I mean, just like if you're interviewing an employee, right? What have you done? What was your favorite project to work on? What was some of the challenges that you've solved? Why was that a challenge? Why was your solution unique? These are the things you should be asking partners more so than, reading their customer reviews. Those are good. Don't get me wrong, but customer reviews and status and all of that, that's great. That gets you in the door. Interview them. What challenges have you solved? What was some of the favorite solutions that you have? How would you solve my problem? Right? I'm not saying we're going to build like a proof of concept or anything, but you'll know based on the questions that they're asking. I personally feel you're going to learn a lot about a partner based on how honest they are when it comes to what could go wrong, right? If something were to go wrong, where would it go wrong? What would it likely be, right? Ask that question to a partner. You'll see how kind of honest they are, and you'll see what kind of experience they have, because partners that have been doing these types of implementations and integrations and migrations, they've seen some things, right? They will answer that. They will tell you that, in the solution design phase, getting sign off could take a long time if there's too many decision makers or no decision makers. Both are bad, right? They'll tell you that, the state of the data matters. There's so many things. And again, that's where you will learn the most. If you're getting puppies and rainbows as answers, that is a red flag. They either don't know or they're not telling you. And both of those are bad, right? Because again, it's messy work. CRM work is messy work. ERP work is messy work. Anyone who's gone through them will tell you that. Customers, partners, it's messy work. It can be done well, but it's messy work.
Partner tiers really only evaluate you against the HubSpot score sheet. It tells you how valuable HubSpot thinks you are to them. It doesn't say anything beyond that. It doesn't speak to quality of the work. There are definitely elite partners who are not doing good quality work, and there are definitely untiered partners who are doing incredible work. It does not speak to the quality of the work, the quality of the team, capabilities, abilities. It speaks to how much value HubSpot sees, basically in dollars, if we're being completely honest, for you being in the ecosystem. And that is all it measures.